Uncle Bank!
Hi guys, it's me Uncle Bank. In this video, I'm going to show you my everyday makeup. When people think about men wearing makeup, some of you might concern that it's going to make you look too obvious or too made up. But in this video, I'm not going to use a lot of product because I still want my face to look natural, and I don't like to use a lot of product on my face during daytime. And guys, it's 2019. I believe that beauty has no gender, so does makeup. So don't be afraid. I just want to look like a better version of myself. That's it. Let's start. First, I'm going to analyze my face and see what I want to fix. For example, I have dark circles under my eyes, discoloration around my nose, some acne scars here and there, and I also want to fix my eyebrows for a bit. By doing this, I will know exactly what product I need to use. Okay, so here are the list of things that I need for this tutorial. Basically, it's just concealer and face powder and some tools. First, I like to use my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer with the Concealer Buffer Brush from Zoeva. I apply the product on the back of my hand and then apply it directly under my eyes. And I use the brush to blend it. If you don't have this kind of brush, you can also use your ring finger to blend the concealer. And now the first step is done. I use Shiseido Spotcover foundation with the Zoeva fine liner brush to apply the concealer on my spots for a more precise application. You don't need a lot of the concealer because this concealer is very pigmented. Then I just apply it on my spots all over my face. If you have a lot of discoloration on your face, you can use foundation to fix it. I recommend to mix your moisturizer or sunscreen with the foundation to sheer the product down for a more natural look. If you already have a good skin, then don't cover it up. I spend most time in this step because I want it to be as natural as possible. I blend the concealer with my finger and also with a brush for a more natural look. Basically, just dab on the area that you just applied the concealer on the spots until it becomes seamless. Step 2 done. Then I use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer with the same buffer brush to cover the redness around my nose. Now blend, blend, blend. Step number 3, check. Then I use the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish Natural in the shade Medium Plus with a powder brush. Then I lightly apply it on my face. Don't forget to tap it out before apply it on your face. Then I lightly apply it on my face like so. Notice that I press it on my skin, not buff it all over my face. Then I use Catrice eyeshadow for my eyebrows. This shade called Starlight Expresso. I use it with the angle brush from Zoeva. Since I want my eyebrows to look straighter, I lightly draw a straight line like so on the brow head and blend it out. Then fill in the gap to emphasize my eyebrows shape. I like to use this eyeshadow for my brows instead of the brown or black eyeshadow because the color is not too obvious and it suits my black hair perfectly. Then repeat the same thing on the other side. I finished this look with the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I apply it on my lips and wait a few seconds, then blot it off. Ta-da! It's done! So this is the before and after pictures. So this is my everyday makeup look. You don't have to use the exact same product that I use in this video. Anything that you have or something that you can easily find in your area can work as well. I hope that this video is helpful, especially for the beginners. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free, so you will see my future videos. And don't forget to ring the bell, ring the bell, ring the bell. You can follow me on Instagram at Hi Uncle Bank or my Facebook page, Uncle Bank. I hope to see you in my next video. Until next time, bye!